Homo sapiens, how are you? I am absolutely fine. Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikas Bhardwaj. Through this video, we are going to learn how to calculate length of human DNA. In this video, I am going to teach you how to calculate length of human DNA. Now, here you must be knowing about Watson and Crick DNA model. Try to see here. From the Watson and Crick DNA model, what information you are going to get? 1 ton of DNA, it is going to have 10 base pair. 1 ton of DNA, it is going to have 10 base pair. And from that model, what information you are also going to get? 1 ton of DNA, it is going to have length that is 3.4 nanometer. So now it's quite simple. 10 base pair, it is going to have length that is 3.4 nanometer. So now you can calculate the length of one base pair. It is 3.4 divided by 10. It is equal to 0.34 nanometer. Now, hopefully you must be knowing about the human genome, the total DNA content. So in the human genome, you are going to have 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. Means you are going to have 3 billion base pair. But here, I just want to tell you that this is haploid DNA content. This is haploid DNA content. Okay. Now, what will be the total? You know very well, the human cell, they are diploid. Okay. So, it will be 2 into 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. Okay. So, total DNA, it will be 2 into 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. Okay, so one is human genome. Okay, so in the human genome, the haploid DNA content is 3 billion base pair, and the diploid DNA content will be 6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. Okay, now you have both of the information. Okay, so by using that information, you can calculate the length of 6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair DNA. It's quite easy. One base pair, it is going to have length that is 0.34 nanometer. 6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair, it is going to have length, very simple, 6 into 0.34 into 10 to the power 9 nanometer. And if you are going to solve this, it will come out 6 into 0.34. Try to see 10 to the power 9. Okay, we converted nanometer into meter, then it is 10 to the power minus 9. Both will be get cancelled, and if you are going to solve this, it will be 6 into 0.34. Okay, so it is 2.04 meter. So from this video, hopefully you have learned easily that how you can calculate easily the length of DNA of human, and you can calculate length of DNA of any base pair length. Okay, you can just have the information what is the total number of base pair. Okay, you can calculate. Now here from this video, hopefully you have learned that if you are going to take any human cell, okay, and hopefully you remember the diameter of the nucleus, it is 5 micrometer, and here within the 5 micrometer space, what you are going to see, the total length is 2 meters. So 2 meter DNA, it has been packed within a tiny nucleus. Thank you for watching this. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel Deep Learning Biology. Bye bye, take care. Bye bye, take care.